Yay! It's the weekend. Today I'm visiting the bird park. I can't wait to see all the colorful birds. Whoa! Look at that red parrot. It's so bright and beautiful.
I am a red parrot. Squawk, can you say red with me?
Wow, this flamingo is standing on one leg.
I am pink. Can you stand like me?
Let's try. Lift one leg and balance like a flamingo. Look at that peacock. It's spreading its feathers.
I am blue and green. Can you twirl like me?
Let's twirl like a peacock. Whee! Hey, this bird is so bright. It's yellow and orange.
I love to sing. Can you chirp like me?
Tweet, tweet. Can you chirp too? Whoa, this bird is purple and so shiny.
Flap, flap, let's fly like a bird.
Flap, flap, let's fly like a bird.
Come on, friends, let's dance with the birds. Join us, flap, hop, and twirl with us.
This was the best day ever. Birds are so colorful and fun. Which bird was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures.